and welcome to episode number 9 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next, we have fall through platforms, so we can fall through them and jump up on them like this. The next, my favorite feature, which is rope swinging and rope traversal. So let's go check this out. Here we have multiple ropes hanging in a row, and we can swing between them. Like so, and rope traversal as well. We can also climb up and down on the ropes. This was all for episode number 9. In a day or two, we will continue with episode number 10. See you there.